Now, questions have been raised about seeming attempts by the PNP President Mark Golding to surround himself with loyalists. This despite stressing the need for unity. JAVAUGHN has more.
The cause of the resignation of 4 senior executives of the People's National Party PNP is an alleged breakdown in an agreement for a balanced slate of candidates for the vice presidency race that closed on Friday, July 16. The candidates were supposed to be split equally down the Rise United and one PNP group in the party. But where the negotiations fell apart is unclear. Of concern is that the party's leader Mark Golding is reportedly surrounding himself with PNP members who supported his presidential campaign. This was echoed by PHILLIP PAULWELL in a recent video.
We have decided to step back and to allow the party leader to have his team. We're not going to fight.
One which General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell denies.
The party has deliberately stayed out of whatever negotiations were taking place for the post of vice presidents. If you can recall, last year, he had endorsed me as General Secretary and Comrade Angela Brown-Burke as chairman. They said that that was inappropriate. So learning from that experience, the leader stayed away from whatever negotiations were taking place in regards to the vice presidents. And so any allegation that is made that the leader is not pushing unity is not true.
But political analyst Dickie Crawford says he's not surprised by the allegations that Mark Golding is surrounding himself with loyalists. However, he says it can be dangerous.
Who don't probably get picked on that side become angry or realize that they are not in his favor. And therefore, they're striking out and saying, well, you know what? I'm not running in this situation.
All 4 vice presidential candidates are seemingly allies of Golding, from former Member of Parliament of Western Hanover Ian Hales, who was a supporter of Peter Bunting during the 2019 presidential contest, to Richard Azan. During his nomination last week, Norman Scott sported a Go With Golding campaign hat. We pressed him about it.
I didn't even realize that I was wearing a Golding hat. That's a fact. I have about 4 hats in the vehicle, and I just took up one. No.
And Councillor Eugene Kelly from Southwest St. Andrew.
I don't take offense to the question being asked, because Portia gave her life for the PNP, struggled, was maligned, hurt for the PNP, and they dared to ask who tell her how she thinks she can lead PNP. So if they ask that of her, who am I? Who am I for them to question?
General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell says there is a political emergency in the People's National Party, but he says it's fixable. In the meantime, the country looks on at the turmoil in the 83-year-old PNP party. JAVAUGHN, TVJ.